Seedance 2.5 is live. Get 14 days of unlimited Seedance on Higgsfield, 7 days of unlimited Seedance 2 in 4K, then switch to any other Seedance for 7 more days. This is just great because Seedance 2.5 will be out and available for each and every one of you to use in 7 days. And as you can see on screen, the quality you get with Seedance 2.5 is not like anything we have seen before. Honestly, this is a big game changer when it comes to AI video generation, especially for those of you who use AI to create content. If you've been using AI video tools for a while, you know how frustrating it can be when things morph, distort, or just don't look right. That's exactly the problem Seedance 2.5 is solving. Not only the upgrade from Seedance 2, with the amazing quality we get with this, as you can see on screen. The sound, visuals, and every single thing you can think about is honestly way better, and it doesn't even look like AI at all. And the scenes we get with this look like it's straight out a Hollywood movie. You can see it's not just limited to basic video generations. You can see that you can use this to make scenes that look like it's cut out straight out of a movie, ranging from ultra-realistic AI videos to any storytelling that you find best. Whether you're making short films, product content, or just experimenting, this gives you way more room to actually tell a story instead of just generating a random clip. And this is just great because if you look closer, here's a side-by-side comparison of what we had with Seedance 2 and what we now get with Seedance 2.5. We have upgraded audio, upgraded visuals, and if you pay close attention, you should see that we now have the ability to generate high-quality visuals with higher frames per second, which gives a better overall video. And I don't know if you noticed, we now get longer AI videos. Yes, Seedance 2.5 now generates videos that go as long as 30 seconds long. And this is really great because it's actually the first of its kind to actually generate 30-second videos with one prompt. Think about what that actually means for creators. You're not stitching together 5 or 6 short clips anymore just to tell one story. One prompt, one continuous 30-second generation. And the quality you get with this is top-notch. Literally the best in all ramifications. Literally better than every other AI model that you can think of. You can see we are not limited to scenes, and this looks like it's cut out straight off an actual film. Every detail, the lighting, the movement, the way the characters carry themselves, all of it holds together the way you'd expect from an actual production, not something generated from a text prompt. So now I've shown you what we get with Seedance 2.5, that's coming out in 7 days, but here's the thing, you don't have to wait around doing nothing for those 7 days. You can get 14 days of unlimited Seedance on Higgsfield, 7 days of unlimited Seedance 2 in 4K, then switch to any other Seedance for several more days, and your Seedance 2 access will start right away. So while you're waiting for 2.5 to fully open up, you're already creating with 2 in the meantime, completely unlimited. The link to this platform will be in the description below. Do well to check it out. This is genuinely one of the biggest upgrades I've seen in AI video generation, and getting in early with the presale is the smart move.